Say hello to soft, glowing skin with our foaming powdered cleanser. The hero, Rose Petals Powder. Gentle, soothing and perfect for calming irritated skin. I have also added oats to gently exfoliate, sweet almond oil to nourish and vitamin E oil to protect your skin barrier. And yes, there is a touch of SAI, a mild coconut derived surfactant that gives soft creamy foam. ఇది ఎలా వాడాలి అంటారా? Just take a little powder in your palm, mix with water or rose hydrosol, rub gently on your face and body and wash off. It foams beautifully and leaves your skin fresh and happy. ఈ క్లెన్జర్ స్కిన్ ని క్లెన్స్ అండ్ నరిష్ చేస్తుంది, హార్ష్ కెమికల్స్ లేకుండా. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ సమ్వన్ హూ లవ్స్ న్యాచురల్ స్కిన్ కేర్, this one's going to be your new favorite. Try switching to simple earth loving products. Glow responsibly.